This is Asasha over here from Digimax, and today I'll be discussing about few of the neat tricks that you can do with Canva. For those of you who do not know what Canva is basically a designing app that you can use for designing Instagram stories, Instagram posts, flyers, infographic, brochure, you name it, and they have all of this in their app. This is a free app. You can use sign up for free. But if you want to go pro, they have a minimum subscription fee as well. The first thing that I'm going to discuss is that you could use this app to not only design graphics, but you could also use this to edit one of your PDFs. So I'm going to go over here and pick out a page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and open up this book for dummies, digital marketing all in one for dummies. Now I'm going to use what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of this page from their book and use this as a introductory page. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to use it for the website design. So I think this page was good. So what I'm going to do is Control plus P, and in printer, since I don't have a printer installed, I want to have this in PDF, and I want only this page. So I'm going to use Microsoft Print to PDF. I want pages to be the current page, which is I think 41. 40. So Control plus P, and over here I'm going to write page 40 and print. So this opens the dialog box over here. I'm going to save it as for Canva. Now after it has been saved for Canva, I'm going to go over here into the upload section, and in the file I'm going to click on files and we'll browse down and see this page has been saved. When you click on this page now, this will upload the file into my recent designs. I have already 2 pages saved which I don't need anymore. Delete this. Delete this as well. I'm going to open it over here. Now this will convert all of this PDF into image. Now I want this image to be over here. I'm going to delete all these stickers, captions, bookmarks. I'm going to delete the highlights. I don't like this ever. So I'm going to have to so this is much cleaner. Now this page is much more cleaner. Now I have to align all this. Select all of this, and in position over here I'm going to select middle, align this in center, and then left, and then vertical. This has been properly aligned. Now I want to change the background color as well, so I will go over here into styles and I will choose the color palettes. I can choose this one as well. This seems much more cleaner, and don't worry about the text size because we are right now operating at 58%. So if I zoom in, you can see it is visible and readable. So over here, I'm going to align this again as well. And now for the heading. Now for the heading, I'm going to position again this into left and vertically like this. Now I need a heading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here text, and this gives me all of the heading that I can do. So let's suppose I want something like game on desert. I think this is so. So I'm going to shorten this a bit. And over here is a line. And now I have to change the effect section. And in the effect section, I will make it a little like this. And I will change the thickness, the offsetting, and the direction of it. So this is over here. The page what basically says is mission statements. So to this section, I'll write viewing. But yeah, to the mission statements. Roll it down a little bit. So we have heading proper. Now another cool thing is I want to have this image edited. So I can go over here and I can do all sorts of animation as well. And in the edit image, I can edit different filters and the brightness, the contrast, and everything over here as well. So this was a bit about how you can use PDF files to edit them and convert them into a cool looking design that you could share as a newsletter with your audience, or you could use to basically use as a flyer or something else. So this was the first thing that you could do with Canva that most people miss. Now moving on, the second option. Now in the home page at the left side of your screen, you can see this discover apps. So when you click on it, this is another cool option that you can do with your Canva. So basically we have all of these apps that you could integrate with Canva, and you don't have to open up all different tabs. You could integrate Instagram and they will show all of the images that you have in Instagram. You could integrate YouTube, you could integrate different all of these apps with Canva, and you can use them with Canva as well. So this was another important tip about Canva. Moving back to our design. So in our recent design, let's open this up again. Another cool trick that I wanted to discuss is the effects option. Now in the effects option, you could do all of these different styling, thickness, color, shapes with your writing. So you could edit your image, you flip on as well. But when you click on a text or a photo, let's suppose I drag this photo over here. I can go over to edit image and I can do all of these options as well. I could do this. So there are these different options that you can do with Canva that are pretty cool. I hope you like this short video and hope it will be helpful for designing nice and cool apps in your Canva. Thank you.